On today's podcast, we'll be covering week 3 of 5 for improving workplace safety culture and performance. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Safety is everyone's responsibility in factories and warehouses. As workers, we must ensure that safety is always a priority. One of the most effective ways to do this is by modeling safe behavior daily. By following regulations and guidelines and encouraging others to do the same, we create a safer environment for everyone. Here's some practical tips for leading by example on the job. Number 1, consistently follow safety protocols. Please make it a habit to follow all safety rules, including wearing the required personal protective equipment or PPE, whether it's hard hats, gloves, or eye protection. PPE is essential for keeping you and your coworkers safe. Number 2, set a good example. Your actions speak louder than words. Show your commitment to safety by always using the correct tools, following safe lifting techniques, and adhering to all safety procedures. When others see you practicing good habits, they're more likely to follow suit. Number 3, encourage safe behavior. Be proactive in encouraging your coworkers to prioritize safety. Remind them of the correct procedure if you see someone not using their PPE or engaging in unsafe practices. Building a culture of safety starts with open communication. Number 4, regularly inspect equipment. Please ensure all machinery and tools are in good working condition before using them. Equipment failures can lead to severe injuries, so please ensure everything works before starting your task. And last, but certainly not least, number 5, stay accountable. Hold yourself accountable for always following safety practices, even when no one is watching. By taking personal responsibility for your safety and the safety of others, you'll help reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. As always, be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. Promoting a safety culture doesn't stop at following the rules. It's about leading by example and encouraging those around you to do the same. Together, we can maintain a safe and productive workplace. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.